What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to raise the argument that credit card is actually an asset. Whoa, what did I just say? That's right. I believe when used wisely, your credit cards, the right kind of credit card, can be an asset. Let's recap. In a previous video where I encouraged you to begin thinking about overall financial net worth, we talked about assets and liabilities and the formula that we use to calculate overall financial net worth. So we also defined an asset as an entity that put money back into your pocket, right? So with that as foundation, I think what we ought to do is go back over to our spreadsheet. Let me bring that up, bring it to the foreground here. And this should look familiar if you've seen the previous video. If you haven't, be sure to take just a few moments, about a 4-minute video. Try to put a card up here in the upper left for me, right for you, so that you can click on that and go take a look at that, and then come back here to follow along. So let's flesh this out. Let's flesh this argument out. Ron is saying that a credit card is an asset, can be an asset when used wisely. How does that work? Let's say for a moment you go out and on your credit card, you for the total of a year, for a full year, you use your credit card to pay your natural gas bill. Well, let's say electricity bill. And over the course of the year, through all the fluctuations, that total averages out to, let's say, $1,200, right? So you look at that and you say, well, wait, Ron, very clearly you just put that in the liability section. And you're right. I used my credit card. I created a debt. And again, this is over the course of the entire year. So I'm using an average here, but over the course of the entire year, I charged $1,200 worth to pay my electricity bill. Now, at the end of every month, or before, 10 days before the bill is due, I'm paying that balance off in full, which if you were writing a check or having it come directly out of your checking account, you'd be paying that balance in full anyway. So what difference does it make whether you pay it directly with cash or use your credit card and then pay off the credit card? Well, the difference is that by doing it this way, again, paying off the balance in full every month before the bill is due so that you don't incur any late fees or any interest charges. By doing it this way, your credit card, the right kind of credit card, can actually put money back in your pocket. And we're talking about cards like the Citi Double Cash card, the TD Bank Double Up card, the Discover card, the Wells Fargo Cashwise Visa card, the SoFi MasterCard. You get the theme here. There are a lot of financial tools out there that can enable you to turn your credit cards, use your credit cards as a real asset. Most of the cards that I just rattled off there effectively pay you 2% cash back for using them on anything. 2% cash back for using them on anything. A couple of exceptions. The Discover card, outside of the special bonus categories, Discover card is paying about 1.5% cash back. So a little bit of variation there. But for the most part, everything that I rattled off there is going to pay you 2% cash back on anything. In this case, we paid our electric bill, something that we would have to do anyway, and we can stand to be rewarded 2% cash back for doing that. So what does that mean to us? Well, let's take a look. So if we go and say 2% of that 1,200. So over the course of that year, we're going to get back $24. $24. Okay, that's cool. What can we do with that? Well, we could go to McDonald's, go to Dunkin' Donuts, pay a portion of a cell phone bill, buy a full share of Ford, buy a full share of GM. I think that's right. I think you can get GM for in that neighborhood right now. I'm not entirely sure about that, but whether or not you can get a full share, you're using something like Robinhood or SoFi or Webull. Remember, you can buy fractions of stocks, fractional shares of stocks. So you buy $24 worth of Amazon. That, right? So you can invest by using the financial tools in smart ways. So the world is full of opportunity. The world is full of possibilities. You've got to be willing to put in the study, put on your thinking cap, and apply what you learn to take advantage of what's available to you. So I think that'll sum it up. In this video, we talked about how you can take advantage of a credit card to do things that you need to do anyway, but turn that credit card into an asset that helps you do a number of things. And here we focused on beginning or boosting your investment activity. And that'll wrap it up for this one. We're about almost 8 minutes in. Hope you're doing well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what other kind of content you'd like to see on the channel. I'm happy to put that together. But yeah, hope you're doing well. Stay safe. You will see me in the next